So hello guys, my name is Ruturaj and welcome back to our channel GeoValley. So if you are new to the channel and preparing anything related to geology, please do subscribe and then go ahead. Okay, so in today's lecture we are not going to deal with rocks. पत्थरों को थोड़ा साइड में रखेंगे आज थोड़ा जियोमॉर्फोलॉजी का कॉन्सेप्ट है, very important for your all the competitive examinations related to geology. Okay, if you are planning to answer CSIR NET, today's date I forgot to write. Today is I think 5 May 2023. Okay, so CSIR NET is coming after 3 days, I think 8th June, right? CSIR NET is on 8th June. So there are more than 50% chances of getting this question because this question has repeated many times. Okay, in CSIR NET, in state level SAT examinations, GATE exam, most important GATE exam and JAM. Okay, so those who are preparing for GATE and JAM, please do subscribe first and then pay attention. Okay, so this concept is given by, this is Reynolds number. Okay, this is one number, this is one dimensionless number. Okay, so this concept Reynolds number is given by one scientist, that is Reynolds. He is a British physician. Okay, so what he did, he explained the pattern of flowing fluid in the tube. Okay, so he did one experience. He took one tube, ग्लास ट्यूब, उन्होंने क्या किया कि इसमें से एक फ्लूइड पास किया, ठीक है, और उस फ्लूइड का फ्लोइंग पैटर्न ऑब्जर्व किया. सो इन व्हाट पैटर्न दैट फ्लूइड इज फ्लोइंग थ्रू दैट नैरो ट्यूब. ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू कंसिडर डायमीटर ऑफ दिस ट्यूब ऑल्सो इन दैट फॉर्मूला. Okay, so there is one very simple formula. I will write a formula first. Reynolds number, rho v d by mu, and in the end of this lecture I will explain this. Okay, so the original concept is the flowing pattern of any fluid, okay, through the narrow tube. How any fluid flows through a narrow tube. Okay, so the two words are very important in this lecture. One is laminar, another is turbulent. Okay, so these two concepts, these two type of flow we are going to observe in this tube. Okay, so there are various parameters like velocity, then diameter of this pipe, then density of that flowing fluid, okay, then viscosity of that fluid. All the parameters we are going to consider, okay, in this formula. Okay, so the definition wise, Reynolds number is a dimensionless property, dimensionless number which tells about the flow pattern. Okay, pattern of flow, how the fluid is flowing through a narrow tube. Okay, is it flowing in the parallel pattern or is it flowing in the eddies form? Okay, so I will explain what is eddies form, what is turbulent flow, right? Okay, so रेनॉल्ड्स नंबर का ये तो समझ गए, कंसेप्ट समझ गए. रेनॉल्ड्स नंबर और एक और है फ्रॉड नंबर, FR बोलते हैं उसको, ठीक है. FR is fraud number. This is given by fraud. This is another scientist. We are not going to explain this fraud number in this today's lecture. Today's lecture only we will focus on Reynolds number, that is RE, and this formula. You have to remember this formula, okay? Because many times you will get this question, okay, directly on the formula based question. It will come in your GATE exam or NET exam. Okay, और हम क्या करते हैं, वैल्यूज़ देखते कुछ मतलब मोर देन 50% बच्चे ऐसे करते हैं कि वैल्यूज़ देखते बोलते कि हाँ न्यूमेरिकल मेरे से ना हो पाएगा. अरे इतना सिंपल फॉर्मूला होता है इसका, ठीक है, बस फॉर्मूला में वैल्यू डाल दो, निकाल दो जो भी पूछा है. विस्कोसिटी पूछेंगे, रेनॉल्ड्स नंबर पूछेंगे, डेंसिटी पूछ सकते हैं, ठीक है, जो भी है. ओके, सो This is what Reynolds number is. Now we will see what is laminar flow and turbulent flow. Turbulent flow. अब इसमें क्या करेंगे हम, रेनॉल्ड्स नंबर आने के बाद कुछ थ्रेशोल्ड नंबर दिए इन्होंने, ठीक है. ही गेव सम थ्रेशोल्ड वैल्यूज अबाउ विच द फ्लो इज टर्बुलेंट, बिलो विच द फ्लो इज लैमिनार. Okay, I will tell the values also later. Now, what is laminar flow? In laminar flow, the flow lines within the 1 minute. The flow lines, these are flow lines. Okay, this fluid is flowing from left hand to right hand. Okay, so these flowing lines are showing parallel pattern. Okay, these are flowing in parallel pattern. These are not making disturbances to one another, right? This is in parallel form. But here, what is turbulent? In turbulent flow, the flow lines will not be parallel to each other. Means any type like this. Okay, this is turbulent flow. This is laminar flow. लैमिनार फ्लो में क्या होता है कि फ्लो लाइंस होते हैं वो पैरेलल होते हैं, ठीक है, कांस्टेंट वेलोसिटीज होती है उसमें. यहाँ क्या होता है डिफरेंस, यहाँ क्या होता है, फ्लो लाइंस आर नॉट पैरेलल. वन थिंग, फ्लो लाइंस आर नॉट शोइंग कांस्टेंट वेलोसिटी. ओके, दिस फ्लो लाइन इज फ्लोइंग विथ अनदर वेलोसिटी, अनदर फ्लो लाइन इज फ्लोइंग विद द अनदर वेलोसिटी. सो वेलोसिटी इज नॉट कांस्टेंट एंड these are not parallel also, right? So okay, so now we will see what are those numbers. Okay, what are those numbers, threshold values below which we consider the flow is laminar. So if the value of Reynolds number is less than 2000, it is considered as laminar. Okay, if the value is more than 4000, more than 4000, the flow is considered as turbulent. Okay, now what comes in between 2000 to 4000? If the value is in between 2000 to 4000, it is transitional flow. ठीक है, तो ट्रांजिशनल में क्या होगा, वेलोसिटी मीडियम रेंज में होगा, डायमीटर ऑफ द पाइप मीडियम रेंज में होगा, डेंसिटी मीडियम रेंज में होगा. वही अगर लैमिनार फ्लो में देखा जाए, दिस इज रेनॉल्ड्स नंबर इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू डेंसिटी, वेलोसिटी एंड डायमीटर ऑफ द पाइप, राइट, and inversely proportional to the viscosity. Mu is considered as viscosity here. Okay, so this is the difference between laminar and turbulent flow. Now to show the flow, whether the flow is laminar or turbulent, Reynolds consider these 4 parameters, right? Now what are those 4 parameters? You have to remember these values. Okay, below 2000 it is laminar, more than 4000 it is turbulent. Okay, now we will see each parameter. Okay, what is rho? Rho is density of fluid which is flowing through that pipe, right? Then V is velocity of fluid which is flowing through that pipe. Again, D, capital D is diameter of that pipe through which this fluid is flowing. Okay, so these 3 parameters you understood. Now the last one, which is inversely proportional to the Reynolds number. What is inversely proportional? If this value is more, okay, compared to these 3 values, then the Reynolds number will be less. Okay, if the viscosity is more, then Reynolds number will be less. Sorry, Reynolds number will show the less value. So if the viscosity is more, the chances of that fluid to consider as laminar flow is more, right? Because viscosity is inversely proportional to the Reynolds number, right? Mu is viscosity of fluid. Okay, so all these parameters you need to consider to calculate the Reynolds number. Okay, so what you observe, once you observe the airplane wings, how those airplane wings act with high velocity and low velocity. Okay, so what he did, he kept changing these parameters while experiment. Okay, when he was doing this experiment, he kept changing these parameters. You can control density, right? You can control the density of the liquid or the fluid which is flowing. You can control the velocity and diameter of the pipe. Okay, whichever diameter you choose, you can change the pipe according to that, right? So all these parameters can be changed. He changed all the viscosity also controllable parameter. So all the parameters you can change and observe the change in this pattern of flow, how these flow lines act with the changing parameters, right? So one more thing, रेनॉल्ड्स नंबर सबसे ज़्यादा इफेक्ट करता है वेलोसिटी पे, ठीक है. इफ़ द वेलोसिटी इज इंक्रीजिंग, ओके, द रेट ऑफ फ्लो इज इंक्रीज्ड, देन वेलोसिटी इज इंक्रीज्ड. वेलोसिटी इंक्रीज हो गया तो रेनॉल्ड्स नंबर इंक्रीज हो गया, राइट, बिकॉज दीज थ्री पैरामीटर्स आर डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल. क्योंकि ये न्यूमरेटर पे है, ये डिनोमिनेटर है, डिनोमिनेटर बढ़ गया तो ये वैल्यू कम हो जाएगा ऑटोमेटिकली, right? So if velocity will increase, Reynolds number will increase and it will considered as turbulent flow, right? मतलब जो भी transitional और turbulent depends on the value, okay, right? So density, velocity और diameter of the pipe तीनों अगर change कर दिए, बढ़ा दिए तो turbulent हो जाएगा, कम कर दिए तो laminar की तरफ आएगा, ठीक है, और in between रहेगा तो we can call it transitional flow, okay? So this concept is very important for exams like CSIR NET, GATE and JAM. Most important for GATE exam and CSIR NET and JAM. These three exams. Okay. Yeah, again, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe. This was the geomorphology topic, that is Reynolds number. In next lecture, we will cover fraud number. Okay, fraud number. Fraud number. Okay, so this is also very important concept because in sedimentology we use fraud number. Okay, so this topic is comparatively broad, so it will take little more time to cover. Okay, so if you have any doubt in this lecture, please do ask in the comment section. And yeah, for today, bye bye.